Alrighty, soldiers, welcome back to Simon of Fortune. Today we're going to be taking a look at the restoration of this Korean War era helmet. I decided to go a different route than I did originally, but let's go check it out. Alright, so I'm back at work, Simon of Fortune Mobile Workshop. Got some olive drab 319 here. Gonna paint the outside of the helmet before I prime the inside. If you hear any extra noise, there's a truck loading and a train going by. But I really want to seal in the sand before I start handling it to paint the inside. So I'm gonna paint the outside first. Let that flash off before I paint some more on. The bad part about the texture is you have to spray from like all angles to get it good. This is how we're looking. Gonna let this dry and check it out in a couple hours. This actually looks pretty cool with the black on the inside and got a little primer on the outside, but that's no problem. I need another coat anyway. But with the black on the inside and the green on the outside, it looks pretty cool, I think. But the inside's got to be green too, of course. Primer's dried. Gotta do the bales first. Okay, that was easy. So now the whole helmet's green, but before I can paint the outside again, the inside's got to dry. Okay guys, so small change of plans with the Korea helmet. I was originally planning to just leave this plain. This has epoxy on it. Spoiler alert. But this liner that I have stripped down, and I forgot about this, it has a hole where an officer's insignia fits perfectly, and my lieutenant's insignia didn't. I didn't have any captain bars that would, so the next is a major that did. So since I don't have any officer's helmets yet, I'm going to make this a major helmet. Gonna get this stuck on here and then turn off the camera so I can have both hands, and I'll report back. So here we have the major insignia. A little bit of epoxy bleed through, but it shouldn't be visible whenever it dries. But I think I got it on there just about as straight and centered as I could. Might have been just a little tiny bit off center. Not gonna let it bother me. But I mean, I can just take it off, and if I need to, repaint it, because I've got a whole jar of this texture and, you know, 319 on hand. So after this, we'll get the liner completely stripped and painted. I was going to do a flat coat on the liner, like on the helmet, but I think I might do a gloss coat instead, because it's a pretty classic look for Korea era liners. But I'm liking how this looks, so alright, so I got the major insignia on there and the follow me bar. I didn't film that because, I mean, it's not really exciting, but got a package from Mr. J. Murray today. I cracked that open. It'll be the finishing touches for this. Let's see. Oh, there's that booklet. Yeah, he's running a promotion right now. You can get a free booklet. By the time this video goes up, it'll probably be over. But free stuff. And here we have a liner chin strap with black hardware and a reproduction sweatband, because there's an original Vietnam one in here, but wanted this to be all new, so get that out of here. I hate these clips sometimes. Old one is out. Put the new sweatband in. I've actually never gotten a sweatband from J. Murray before. But got that in there. I'll adjust that later. And then the final piece of the puzzle is this chin strap. I've also never gotten one of these from J. Murray before either. Click that on there. Actually, buckle goes on this side, doesn't it? Tighten this up. And there we have it. restoration officially complete. All right, so there you have it. I guess we're going to go ahead and try it on now. There you go. Got the major insignia and the follow me bar. I got this on, I didn't get this on straight, so I'm going to have to fix that. I might make a video about it, I don't know. But if you like this, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And also check out our Discord for more videos like this. And I'm on there pretty much every day with project updates that you don't normally see on the channel. So have a great rest of your night, soldiers. I'll see you in the next one.